Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to upload a folder on Dropbox using the updated version of the app. Whether you're organizing work files, sharing photos, or backing up important documents, this short guide will help you get it done quickly and easily. First, make sure you've downloaded and opened the Dropbox app on your device. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your main home screen filled with your existing files or folders. Once you're ready, look for the plus symbol. That's the plus button usually located at the bottom of your screen. This button is your starting point for adding anything new to Dropbox. Tap the plus button and a menu will appear with several options. From here, select Upload Folder. This will open your device's file explorer, giving you access to all the folders stored locally on your phone, tablet, or computer. Take your time to browse through and find the exact folder you want to upload. It might be a project folder, a photo album, or perhaps an entire batch of documents you'd like to store in the cloud. Once you've chosen the folder, tap Upload. Dropbox will begin adding the folder to your account, and you'll see a progress indicator letting you know when it's done. The upload speed may vary depending on your internet connection and the size of your folder. When the upload completes, your folder will appear in your Dropbox list, ready to open, share, or access from any device where you are signed in. It's that easy. So that's the updated process. Just open the Dropbox app, tap the plus button, choose Upload Folder, pick your folder, and hit upload. Now you can safely store your files in the cloud and access them anytime, anywhere. If this walkthrough helped you, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tips. Thanks for watching.